as a guy who's really got it going on. It's only natural, it's only me. Take it from a fella who's been round the block so many times. He knows the only parking spot that's free. It's only me. You can say I tried everything. I save on the wedding ring. Who knows me half as well as me? I'm not antisocial, and it's nothing that's reproachful. It's just natural. It's only me. I can't think of anybody else I'd rather spend some one-on-one time with. It's not that hard to see. It's only me. I'm the me in monogamy. I'm not asking a lot of me. I give me RESPECT. And if your heart is broken, you could just do what you do best. You could just do what you do when your heart is broken. Trust in the one who will love you, never put others above you. I thought I was using me to get to you, but this is true love natural. It's only me. You say you'll never love another till you love yourself. Well, brother, I'm in love with everyone I see. It's only me.